saying we use in anchoring that the score reflects the game. Sometimes kasi the score doesn't reflect it,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Pero this one, the score does reflect the game right
That
now,
is so
Mosi.
correct. That you can see the Lady Bulldogs, although they improved their score, it's not the score that we expected from them in this game. It's a totally different Lady Bulldogs we're seeing in the first two sets. And a lot of errors on their part. A lot of non-adjustments. And in spite of yung mga timeouts ni Coach Francis, parang yung girls, nakatingin lang eh. And it's not parang totally unfazed by what's happening. Yung mga faces nila, parang hindi game face today. And
Parang hindi galing sa talo,
yeah,
Mosi.
and that's why itong si Coach Francis keeps on sending in new players, trying to get that perfect combination, and yet wala pa rin.
Parang hindi galing sa talo itong
Na
National
yung want to
University.
bounce back, diba? And again, the Lady Bulldogs, only 6 attack points so far, 11 for the Lady Spikers, and yung blocking nila, 1 lang for DLSU. And yung errors naman were at
Bumaba
least
from 16 in the first set.
Madami pa rin. When you're up against DLSU, syempre gusto mo yan minimize.
Yeah, but it's the overall energy.
Yes, or lack of.
Or lack of joy, lack of spunk, lack of maybe even swagger for National University. But again, you know, they are trying to get to that level, and sometimes the road to that level is not at all smooth. As Fajardo now serves for LaSalle. And how much of it also, Mosi, is them not like playing at their best, but also LaSalle making them look bad right now?
Oh yes, and I really think LaSalle is reading their offense well. Yung whatever offense they have, konti na nga lang, and LaSalle reads it well. Look at this and the blocking of LaSalle is just amazing in this
Today,
game.
no?
Today, it starts from that first line of defense, and it transcends to their offense.
You said they're the #1 blocking team, right?
Yeah.
LaSalle is 3 of the top 5 from De La Salle University.
Wow. So individually, nandiyan pa yung best blockers mo.
Yep. I'm talking about Maraño, Reyes, and Gumabaw at #1, 3, and 4. Pablo finally finds a corner.
Maela Pablo, look at that, going down the line. Perfect corner, perfect spot.
The reaction of Santiago, parang finally, we got a clean one. Let's see if they have any fight here in the third set as they give a free point again.
That's not going to help them.
Coach Francis shaking his head. And of course, going into a vacation, Moz, alam mo, gusto mo manalo eh, di ba?
Oh yes.
So we feeling na manalo. Nice attack by Santiago. The first clean one from her.
And this is what Coach Francis has been telling
Gitna.
Sanibal. Yes, go to the middle. Yaan mong i-challenge si Tinlin, and yaan mo rin siyang i-challenge niya yung blockers ng DLSU.
Fajardo underhands this one. It's a point for LaSalle.
Simple volleyball works well for Gumabaw. And of course, alam mo ang what's good about LaSalle, yung parang they just followed kung ano yung game plan for today, and it worked for them.
And Ara Galang still looks like a kid out there. She still does, even in her second year.
Parang yung grade school na natuto ng volleyball. Tapos, up to now, since it's working, ganyan pa rin. But when you see the numbers of Ara Galang, you'll be surprised.
Great two-way player, too. Let's look at or check in with Apple David from National U.
Buenmozy mukhang hindi na natutuwa si Coach Francis sa nilalaro ng Lady Bulldogs. Sabi pa niya sa kanila, hindi porket na-scorean tayo, susuko at yuyuko na lang kayo. Pawian nyo. Huwag kayong magalit sa sarili nyo pag nagkakamali kayo. Huwag mainit sa kalaban dahil nakakascore sila. Huwag nyo lalong i-down yung sarili nyo. Instead, smile and play on. Sabi pa ni Coach, ako nga nakangiti pa eh. Huwag nyo hintaying sumimangot at magalit ako. Coach Francis and even the players know that they're physically prepared for this game. Ang tanong na lang ni Coach, are you mentally prepared as well, Buenmozy?
And that's what it is. We've been saying it from the top of the coverage, middle of this coverage, and until now, it's still the same theme. It's a mental thing here that National U is going through.
And Gumabaw scores another one.
Michelle Gumabaw. From Zambales. Serving. 5 serving 3, catching the tape of the net.
Another service error coming from the Lady Spikers.
Let's go to Billy Capistrano this time.
Buenmozy, the Lady Spikers are banking on their championship experience to give them the right amount of confidence to defeat the Lady Bulldogs. Now the girls also kept reminding each other na walang tigil daw sila today. Now though Coach Ramil knows that the girls are working hard, he wants to see more out of them. Sa timeout daw, kapag nagbibigay siya ng instructions, yes na lang daw ng yes pero hindi naman ginagawa sa court. He also reminded them to showcase their strength, especially in serving. Ipakita nyo sa kanila ang lakas nyo. Buenmozy?
Sino ba yung coach na yun na, thank you Billy, nag-coach na yun ng isang huddle. After the huddle di ba? Palakpak. Bawi. Palakpak kayo ng palakpak. Wala naman kayong ginagawa dyan. Oh, Galang drills that one home.
Galang. Look at that hit. She makes it look so easy.
You're right.
Look at this one.
Look at that approach.
Look at the flight. Yep.
Ooh, perfect form, and even the great Jen Reyes could not handle that one. Pictonara with a familiar floater of a serve. Back set.
Didit Santiago from the back row. Gets it to go. Well, yun lang eh, no? The points of Didit Santiago, yung mga spectacular points niya, has come far in.
Yes.
Kaya hindi niya ma-lead.
Ito na naman. Uy! Got the tape. Goheen could not believe it. Apologizes to the bench. And National U surges ahead here. 7, serving 6. This is Aiko Urdas.
Sweet.
The Mesilios check. Great coverage by Maraño.
Oh, that's
No
going
check?
to be a long one. And great judgment on the side of the Lady Bulldogs.
And you with a 2-point lead. Let's listen to LaSalle. Oh no, sorry. We get into our Kit Kat break as we get into a technical timeout. Get ready for what's next. Pat break, have a Kit Kat.